Rain has finally stopped, at least for now. It's going to get colder again, but the birds are still singing. Just means spring is still here. We're going to talk today about bike lights. Why? Because I've never had one, but because I think you need one, and I think I needed one. It's a safety item. Helps people see you. If you're going to be cycling on the highways, you should have one too. So let's take a look at what I bought. This is what I bought. The Blitzu Gator 390 white colored USB rechargeable headlight. Comes with a tail light as well. What do you get in the box? You get the light, pretty small as you can see. The tail light. 2 of these rubber handlebar mount, seat post mounts. 2 USB charging cables and a useless piece of direction that tells you very little but gets the basics done. It does have solid and blinky modes. There's the blink mode on this. And varying levels of brightness, as well as a blink mode. So why are these important? Well, mainly it's so other people can see you. I don't know if you've ever been out on the highway riding and see somebody who has that blinky red light on the back of their bike, but it certainly does help people to be able to see you a little bit better. I know that when I'm driving along, I can see those people way farther down the road, and I'm just more aware that they're there. And that's the most important part if you're going to be cycling, is you want people to know you're there. I know folks who have been hit by cars on their bicycles. It's not pretty any way you slice it. On these lights, I've not used them enough to be able to say definitively the battery life, but I can tell you from the reading I've done from reviewers, average life on them is anywhere from 5 to 6 hours of continuous use. And then for random usage, most people are saying if they ride 40 to 50 minutes per day, they're getting anywhere from 7 to 9 days out of them. I think that's pretty good. Recharge time is less than an hour. And continuous use is supposed to be 4 to 5. I don't know. I'll be able to test it here a little bit, but I wanted to show it to you. $20 on Amazon for a headlight taillight combination. You can't hardly beat it. I'm going to put the link in the description in case you're interested in one for yourself. I think it's a good product to try out. I'm going to take it on my next cycle tour to have and test it. I like being able to recharge it. It's LED technology, so they do last a long time. They are small, lightweight, water resistant. Not completely waterproof, but they are water resistant. IPX level 4. 2-meter drop, 390 lumens. About 6 hours of time it says, but hey, we haven't tested it yet. But I do like that it's USB rechargeable. Everything we have in our lives these days is USB, so if you've got those battery packs and you're going to use those to recharge your phone, you can use it to recharge the lights as well if need be. So check them out. Links in the description. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon.